Meghalaya Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui assured the agitating teachers that age condonation will be given so that they can appear the Meghalaya teacher eligibility test. Concerning the use of tear gas, the Home Minister has sought a report from the district administration what actually happened, since there are two sides of the story. Section 144 was imposed and they were not granted permission to march forward. A report was sought and action will be taken accordingly, said Rymbui. Meanwhile, the contractual teachers remain dissatisfied with the meeting between them and the Education Minister and have decided to continue their stir.
The contractual teachers have met me several times since 2015. And that time, I make ample clear that that is a reality. So kindly prepare for that, because it is a reality now. Because Section 23 of RTER has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed